Our time at the largest van life gathering in the Southeast continues as we kick off day 2 at Peace, Love, and Vans. Withlacoochee River Park in Dade City, Florida, is transformed into a 1960s-inspired van village, bringing together van lifers and enthusiasts from across the country for a weekend of fun, featuring hundreds of vans ranging from DIY builds to professionally converted vans and everything in between. The jam-packed schedule is filled with van tours, workshops, raffle prizes, live music, and an awesome community of nomads and adventure-loving people. Join us today as we spend more time with this amazing community at Peace, Love, and Vans. Good morning, you guys. I'm always a sucker for the sunrise, so I came out to check things out a little bit, walk around, see the vans, take a look at things before everyone's out this morning. It's a chilly but beautiful morning. I spy Charlie Grace out. Good morning, Charlie Grace. Nice chilly morning. Everyone's still asleep, and we're the early birds up. Enjoy Peace, Love, and Vans. That's right. It's gorgeous. All right, so we're walking here with Charlie Grace.
Okay, we're at Peace, Love, and Vans. So we keep making like little hearts, which is fun. We're saying hi, good morning to everybody.
And she gave me this hat.
And I gave her a hat.
What does it say?
She's awesome. No, it says every day is an adventure.
That's right.
I don't have any English tea.
You don't
But
have
I do
any.
have coffee.
You don't have any English tea.
No English tea. I'm sorry.
People are starting to stir. It's really nice seeing the sun on all these vans. And my goodness, there are just vans everywhere. Lots and lots of vans. So it's time to get this day started. I think that means breakfast back in Chillville. Look who I found.
Good morning.
Hey, Silver Fox.
Nice hat.
Thanks. Charlie Grace gave it to me. What do you think? Because every day's an adventure, right? That's what it says. Look what we have here. Look at this cute little guy. Cute. What do you think it is? Like freezing out?
Actually, it's not as cold as I thought.
I know.
Peace,
Oh my gosh.
love, and Vans.
Oh my goodness.
Season water.
So this morning I had a date to walk with Lance, but he texted me before 7 saying it was too cold to walk. He'd walk later. He shows up looking like this. And it's pretty nice out, so I'm going to say he's a wuss from Canada. Do you have anything to say for yourself for canceling and ditching me this morning?
Nothing. Wuss.
Wuss. I'm the one that was out. You were bundled up in your RV.
It was. I thought it was really cold out.
I think Lance is expecting snow today.
I'm from Canada.
He
We
even
hate
has-
cold.
Look, he's even wearing long johns.
Of course, I'm
You're from
from Canada.
Canada.
Got long johns on.
It should feel like vacation warm weather here to you.
It's 5 degrees this morning with the wind chill.
Oh my gosh.
Celsius.
What are you doing, Bill?
Nothing.
Are you expecting the worst? 2 rolls?
Maybe the worst already happened.
It was nice getting to know some of our neighbors in Chillville and meeting some groovy, furry friends.
They're trying to launch something like that, so they got a small community, a small portion of.
So we're here in Chillville. We're doing a little bit of a community breakfast this morning. Steve is actually cooking up Bill and Christina's bacon. We took eggs over to Christina. She's making eggs. We've got some croissants here and some other things, so I think it's shaping up to be a pretty tasty breakfast this morning. How's the burrito that Christina baked up?
Oh, it's absolutely delicious, actually. Thank you very much.
Actually, did you expect it to be bad or something?
And she didn't actually.
I didn't expect it to be better than anything I've ever had.
And I guess you didn't. I guess you didn't bake it. You whipped it up.
I whipped it up.
Here's her non-burrito version. Look at all that healthy stuff in there.
Yum, yum, yum.
I have bacon in mine.
Let's see it.
Oh, you put bacon in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see.
Here, I got
So, some people call it bacon. I think this might be closer to charcoal.
Oh, this is how Bill wants his
That's
bacon.
how he
Well,
wants
I wanted it well done. This is medium done, so, but I'm willing to go with it.
And you're willing to say thank you, Steve.
Thank
You're
you,
the
Steve.
best.
You're welcome, Bill.
There we go.
We were glad to have one of our subscribers, Rick, who is parked next to us, join us for breakfast.
Okay. We got Rick's breakfast here.
Nice. Look at this beautiful breakfast, huh?
Award winning.
Yeah, that's right.
The hike that we're taking here in the park, it's a little under 2.5 miles. It's flat because Florida, we're in a flat zone. It's a little bit of paved, a lot of trail. There are some break-off points. If you feel like you're done with the hike, I can get you back here. There's a observation tower that will have the opportunity to climb. It's about 5 stories. You can choose to climb it or not.
There's an organized guided walking tour this morning of the park, but we decided to go on our own. So we are going in search now of that observation tower. Lance and Christina are showing us the way. So let's see if they can get us there.
We're going to try our best. Audra, if we get lost,
The question of the morning is, are we going to find the observation tower? One of our favorite things about Peace, Love, and Bands is the location. We love what we call wild Florida, the natural beauty of this amazing state that we called home for over 10 years. Withlacoochee River Park consists of 406 acres, with a river and 13 miles of trails running through it, as well as an abundance of wildlife to see, such as eagles, hawks, Florida panthers, alligators, bears, otters, wild hogs, and more. It was really nice to get out into the woods for a walk. Unfortunately, some areas of the park are still not fully recovered from recent hurricanes. Look at this beautiful tree.
it's a UV one there.
So we came down the red trail a little bit, but it's flooded. But it's cool here. We're still in search of the observation tower. All right, what'd we find? What'd we find?
Hard for me. Dude, we found the observation tower. I can't wait. We've been walking for 3.5 hours to find this thing.
3.5 hours. Way to go, you guys. I knew you could find the observation tower.
Well, we haven't found the tower. We just found the sign.
The sign.
A sign to the tower.
Hopefully that means there actually is a tower. I think we're on to something. The observation tower. Alright, here we go. The observation tower. But everyone on the hike is coming, so it's gonna get crazy up here. We got here to the tower just as everyone else was getting here. The whole thing is shaking. Put your arms up like you're on a roller coaster. Whee! The whole tower is shaking. Whee! Ready?
Yep.
Right now we're just chilling out in the van a little bit, getting ready to go to our first workshop. Before we head there, I thought I'd show you guys some of the information we got here yesterday. It was nice to get here to the park and get a lay of the land. And then in the folders they gave out, there's a pretty detailed map and a schedule We have free drink tickets that we can use, cards to vote for our favorite van builds, and there's raffle tickets. Just to give you a little idea of how things are laid out here. Yesterday we got here, we came in, and we parked in Chillville, which is a little bit away from everything. And then we walk over here to get to all the activity. There's Main Street, and all these little roads here are named different names like Abbey Road and Rainbow Row. We get over to the main area. There's the main stage, there's vendors and food. There's a charging station for your devices, a free bottle refill station, and there's also free Wi-Fi. So there's a lot of things they thought of. It's pretty nice. Lots to do. Also, there's a leafy lounge, which is where we went and made s'mores last night. That's down in the woods down here, and that's a fun little area.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive, this folder that they handed out. Very detailed schedule, as Audra mentioned. For example, today at 1 o'clock, there's a workshop under the talking tree by Neil and Britt. They're going to discuss how to handle finances on the road. That'll be kind of interesting.
You know us, we're all about cheap travel, so we're going to see if we can learn anything new from them. All right, we're heading over to Groovy Grove to check things out now. Wow, look at all the vans that have arrived just for the day down there.
So it's amazing how it has filled out here. We think a lot of these people over here are the daytime attendees checking things out.
Love your sign. That's great. Oh, you got your beer fund.
Oh, yeah.
We attended our first workshop where Neil and Britt shared ways they save money and make money on the road. The workshops throughout the event were all very well attended.
Look who it is! Is it Steve and Paul and Sarah! Hey guys!
Steve and Audra.
It was great to spend some time with Paul and Sarah again. We walked around to check things out, including the raffle prizes for the weekend. We put our tickets in for the Wabasto heater. We enjoyed checking out some beautiful van builds as well as the vendors. It's always great fun with Paul and Sarah.
You know what?
What?
Yes, it is.
I think I can find it.
What are you looking for?
A night one.
Check this out. It's the Toadfish non-tipping can cooler. Can't tip it this way, but you can pick it up.
Like your head a lot.
It is amazing, yeah, it's magic. If you look straight up, it comes up, and then you move it. Yeah, it's wild, right?
Yeah, that's really cool.
We've been having a blast here at Peace, Love, and Vans, and I've been wanting to check out an ambulance, so that's what we're going to do right now. One of the self-converted vans we got to check out was Dudley, owned by a couple of our subscribers, Dawn and John.
We are checking out Dawn and John's van, and this is something new. They have actually turned their they put their max air on a hatch so it opens and closes. That's pretty cool.
You know, we lay out, watch the stars.
Look at that.
They had tons of space in their garage.
That is a huge garage.
It's for his bike mostly.
We also got to check out this beautiful van build by some of our other subscribers, Robin and Rick. What a neat build. After a cram-packed day checking out vans, attending workshops, and meeting lots of people, we headed back to the main stage where there was a full lineup of live music.
Speaking of randos,
Who are all these crazy people? Lambs. Oh, look at Frankie. Frankie? Lambs.
get a room.
We finished up another night at Peace Loving Vans back at the Leafy Lounge, enjoying some good conversation, laughs, and performers. But the fun still isn't over. Join us next time for a tour of one of the smallest tiny homes on wheels, as well as one of the biggest tiny homes on wheels at the event, as our time with this amazing community at Peace Loving Vans continues. If you enjoy our videos, please consider becoming a patron by using the link on the screen that we've also included in the video description, along with information about today's adventure and our channel. A special thank you to all our patrons. We appreciate your ongoing support. Thanks for coming along with us on this van life adventure. Please take a second to hit the like button below, leave a comment to let us know you're watching, and click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Don't forget you can also connect with us and see my photos of the places we visit on our Facebook and Instagram. See you next time for more adventure.